Ocean Reef to Craig Key out 20 nautical miles, Florida Bay including Barnes Sound, Blackwater Sound, and Buttonwood Sound until 11:45 p.m. At 10:49 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Grecian Rocks, moving northwest at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, National Weather Service meteorologist. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Locations in the warning include Buttonwood Sound, Dusenberry Creek, Mosquito Bank Light, Blackwater Sound, French Rep, Grecian Rocks, and Barnes Sound. Boaters should seek safe harbor as quickly and as safely as possible. When downpours reduce visibility, slow down. The marine forecast for the following month.
Wow. Oh, thanks a bunch, Key West.